Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Harris Garage. Thanks for tuning in. If you like what you see, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. Alright, sorry about the bugs. We have just had a storm come through here in Melbourne. So hopefully give some relief to the fires in the States. But this episode, as you can see from the thumbnail, we are working on the rear bumper. So, I'm going to bring this in. This is my original. So this had a bit of damage around here, as you can see. So this is just going to be a little tester. Now I have already sanded the diffuser section, if you can call it a diffuser. But you know what I'm talking about. So we'll bring the horses in to get it up off the ground, dry it off, bit of prep wash and tape it and spray it black just to see how it looks. Now I have seen other people's V35 Skylines and G35s with that, but I haven't really seen it in person, so I'd like to see it in person first. Stick around, join me while I attempt some more painting. Preparation is key, as I found out with painting the Skyline, so let's take it slow. This whole episode will be just this rebar getting painted. Let's do it. Alrighty guys, so this has been out in the weather for quite a while. You've probably seen it sitting around in the background. So what we're going to do is we are going to tape off this section and just paint this bottom part today. So it needs to be dried off because, like I said, it's rain. So dry it off, clean up around where we're going to tape as well, and even just I'll just mask off a bit because we'll get some overspray of black up that way. Definitely tape off here because we do have the license plate or lights there. It's still quite warm, so I think it would be okay to spray some paint. I'm not going to use the air gun. I'll just find a spray can. This is just the mock-up one, guys. Alright, really chuck the GoPro on my head and we'll get to work. Alright, so I'm just putting it into the head strap. The good thing with the GoPro here at 8, it's voice controlled, so once it's on my head I'll just talk and start and stop it. If I need to view it, I can view it on my phone. Just make sure I'm getting the right angle. I'm just trying to get a really good edge. That's looking alright. So I'm really wanting to get back into my Forester, guys, so that'll be coming up next week. So it'll be the video after this one. Right, found the masking paper, which I think I showed you before, but anyways, just mask this up quickly.
It's tight, it's blue. I don't know guys, it's not the best. Better than nothing. Whoop, that fingers. Get some prep wash there if you just saw that too, so Is it already? Come on, dude. Move. That's the best I'll do up there. Down this way. Yeah, that's good enough. Alright, going to this part. Again, we'll tape this up. Keep it tight. Obviously there's going to be a lot more prep work with the bumper that I have on the car at the moment. Unfortunately, I won't be able to do that this weekend because we are on a little weekend trip away to a friend's place. So, no car stuff this weekend. Yeah. Get the prep wash out, clean up the diffuser section, and oh, there's not much in there at all. Actually, we've got some prep wash at work. Got quite a bit of stuff at work that we don't use anymore, so might be able to get my hands on it.
Let's find a can of black. I think we have some black in this tub. So I need to get back into that's black. That's the high heat stuff. What do you think, boys? Couple of turbos on the Skyline. Alright, so just off screen, I did just tape up these so I wouldn't get any paint underneath, and I have been shaking up the can. So start painting.
Actually, this probably isn't the worst paint. It is a high heat paint. I'm using around the exhaust. Just trying to get the angles. Sweet. So let that flash off a little bit. And do another coat. And I'll take the masking off. GoPro stop.
Alright guys, show of hands. Who wants to see more Honda action here at Harrod's Garage? I do. Wow. Can you see that, guys? And that's the spider cracking on the original paint. Anyways, guys. Yeah, I think it is. Alright, second coat. Alright, that's good enough to see how it's going to look. So we are going to take it off. Oh. Need to work on my taping skills. Thought it was okay. Anyways. Yep. Up and over. Alright. Yeah. I don't mind it. Do need to work on my taping though. Yeah. So I don't know if I should, on the white one that's on the car at the moment, paint that black first, or do the white again and then the black, or do the black, leave it for a bit. I think I'll do white first, that'll be a lot easier to tape. So that means if I do black first then white, I'd have to tape that edge, which isn't the best. But yeah, it's come up alright. You're not going to see these lines, mainly just getting a nice curve on these edges, and I've got to trim my JDM number plate holder too. But yeah, I don't mind it. Obviously it's going to be in the black gloss. Thanks for watching, guys. Comment down below what you think. Is a good idea to just paint that diffuser part black. I don't mind it. It's going to be in the gloss black, same gloss black that I did on the wheels on the Skyline. So yeah, I think I'm going to have to sand the whole thing down. And I do need to repaint the white. So I'll repaint the white first, and then I'll do the black diffuser. So I'm going to have to wait until it dries pretty much. So it's just going to be another respray on the rear bumper to add another layer of the white pearl, which I ended up doing for the whole car, except for the bumpers. So it should match the body after I do the second coat. And then, yeah, re-diffuser. And then exhaust. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. There is a lot more content coming. And I'll catch you in the next episode. Bye.